Actually, I am doing my BA from Punjab.
BA in which actually subject?
I have five subject: history, politics, English, and computer.
Uh,
So
you
tell
are
me,
now in Punjab,
currently I am living Ludhiana, Punjab. Basically, I am
but
from,
your
yeah,
home is in Delhi.
yeah, yeah.
Uh,
But
so you
I
why
am,
you
yeah.
why you come to Punjab?
Actually, I am doing my graduation here. That's why I am living. But now I am about to quit Punjab. I am going to shift New Delhi also. New Delhi, because I will study there for my master study there. That's why I'm planning to go there.
Actually, you said you are very busy. So why you are so busy?
Bro, actually I am living alone with my family. We used to cook myself food and we used to study. Sometime we used to study. I am working in 8 hours, so that's why I have no time. I have no any friendship. I don't time.
You are working. You are working in where?
I am working in not company where I can earn my part time money. That money is very
No, no.
important.
You checking network.
Hand with eyes.
Network. Very confusing. Bro, okay, leave it. I don't
Sorry.
know. It's very confusing. I cannot understand what is your work actually.
Okay. Actually, I can't explain you about this work, so that's why I am giving you short information about this. So you tell me something about you know. I want to know about your life.
You want to know my life?
Are you student?
Actually, I have completed my graduation
Hmm.
in the English subject. I pursued BA
Have you completed your
in
BA?
English honors.
BA.
BA in English honors.
So your native place is, I think,
My native place is I am from West Bengal.
West Bengal. Okay, nice, yeah.
Uh, West Bengal, is it nice?
Nice. Why?
No, no, you are saying now West Bengal nice.
Nice because when I connect West Bengal peoples, their behavior is too much good. Until now, I don't find anyone who badly behave with me in West Bengal. That's why I'm telling nice, and I have never find, yeah. That's why I'm telling you seriously. So I think West Bengal people nice behavior. So I it's
So I
good.
am also nicely behaving with you now.
Yeah, but when you was connected with me, you had become a small child, and you are telling me, uncle. So,
Uncle.
so I was understanding. I was understanding that this person is funning with me because your voice is not like that. You are a 5-year-old boy, and your communication was too
Oh,
much good. So I was exact to know that you are time pass with me. So that time I was some anger because told you na, I have no much time that I can enjoy my life. So I think this boy will.
no, no, I told you, uncle, that is why you got anger.
Yeah, no, 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 this is the reason, but behind up anger my, because I think you will time pass with me, because
Uh,
I give the purity of my value time. That's why I think if you will talk nearly half time, like 10 minute and 6 minute, so in this minute my time only will be worst. So that's why I think, because in one day I call in one person. So that's is bro.
so,
Yeah.
okay, bro, go on. One day you will be a pro speaker in English.
Why are you going? So you tell me, you have completed your graduation now.
I have completed my graduation. I am
So what is your
now
plan to do
actually,
your life?
actually, I don't have any particular plan to do my life. I'm actually very much bored with our social rules and regulations.
Mhm.
Actually, society is the enemy of the individual, na?
No, no.
They are actually
Actually, what is your
ah
exact problem? So tell me now.
oh it is not any problem, bro.
Hmm.
This is not any problem. I don't have any problem. I think
Okay. No,
this is
actually,
the
according to me, which student have completed their graduation after completed his search job. So why are not searching any job?
oh why am I not searching any job?
Yeah.
Oh, everybody should not searching for a job, na.
So you are not do any work.
I do work, but I do not working in a professional way.
Okay. You don't have any future plan.
I don't have any future plan, bro. Actually,
Okay,
mm,
great thought. I think you have some specific reason.
actually, everybody should not have future plans. Actually,
Yeah, of course. But I think which person they do not have any future plan, he do something better in their life.
because he can do anything and everything, na.
Yeah, and
Who has a plan? He can do only one thing. He's one plan. I have no plan means I can do anything and everything.
yeah, but during any work you will have faced lots of problem, because sometime if you will find failure, that time you will think I have no any specific plan, so how I can get success in my life. So I think people should have a personal plan to that he can do in something better in their life. That's why I'm telling you. But there is no matter if you don't have any plan, so you can select, and then you can try to become.
Actually, bro, the problem is you asked me na what is your problem.
Mhm.
Actually, I have problem literally
Tell me what.
because the conventional our education conventional system na
Mhm.
the way they are teaching the student, the way we are learning from our teacher. This is actually very much burdensome and very much actually nasty way of some nasty something. The academics na very actually bad thing.
Mm. So currently Mamata Banerjee is rolling in your state, no?
Actually, I am talking in terms of whole India, not in my state. In India, in 2018, na
Hmm.
18,000 students suicided. Huh?
Yeah.
Within them, 7,000 was below 15, 12 age.
Oh God.
So, see, bro, say age group of 15, 12, 13, they are committing suicide means uh, they are doing something wrong with the education system, na, basically.
Yeah, bro. Actually, if I say about a real problem of government, so in this time government are not focusing student and about country. Government are torching people with religional movement.
Hmm.
And
Actually, government are pressing students in the economic engine, in the wheel of economic engine. They are in a purpose to income actually money much and much more. They are not actually addressing individual quality rightly. They are just uh, giving so much burden in the student. Actually, you will be surprised when the KG kindergarten students are going to their school. Their bags are 5 kgs, 10 kgs bag.
yeah,
These are very surprising. है ना?
yeah, yeah.
On a in single moment they are learning क्या computer, English, the complex mathematics. They are actually just something else.
In
The
2000,
damn education system.
2090 government was announced that now India will follow new Shiksha Niti. New Shiksha Niti.
True new sectionality I know, but there is actually a lot more have to modify.
Mhm. No, actually, our government has also know what is the need for our student, but he don't care about their